Artificial intelligence enables machines to mimic human behavior by using machine learning to interact with their environment and perform tasks, often without explicit instructions on what the output should be. Generative AI takes this a step further. It is a specialized branch of AI that creates original content in response to a natural language prompt. This content can take various forms such as text, images, audio, video, and even code. So, to grasp the uniqueness of generative AI, it helps to compare it with other AI approaches. Like the first one is traditional AI, which relies on predefined rules and algorithms to perform tasks but does not learn or adapt. Generative AI, however, learns patterns from data and creates new data based on what it has learned. And then machine learning, which allows AI models to improve based on data rather than explicit programming. Generative AI extends this concept by not only learning from data, but also producing entirely new content. Conversational AI is designed for interactive dialogues, such as chatbots. While generative AI can power conversational AI by generating human like text, its scope is broader. It can create images, videos, and more. And then artificial general intelligence, or AGI, refers to a theoretical AI that could surpass humans in most tasks. Generative AI, while powerful, it is not AGI. It specializes in generating specific types of content rather than processing general intelligence. So, what sets generative AI apart? Unlike other AI systems, generative AI can produce diverse outputs, making it highly versatile. It is used for developing virtual assistants that generate human like responses, enhancing video gaming environments with dynamic evolving content, and creating synthetic data for training AI models in scenarios where real world data is limited, and finally, automating content creations in industries like marketing, media, and entertainment. So, how generative AI works? Generative AI follows a structured process powered by deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks to identify patterns in data and generate new content. The general workflow includes data collections, which large data sets of text, images, or other content are gathered for training, and then model training. The AI model learns the structure and patterns of the dataset using neural networks, and then content generation. The trained model creates a new output based on what it has learned, and final refinement. The generated content may be further improved through post processing. So, here are some of the examples of generative AI in action. The first one is natural language generation, writing a cover letter, summarizing an article, or create a creative stories. And secondly, image generation, designing artwork, generating realistic images, or creating brand logos. And finally, code generation, assisting developers by writing or optimize code snippets. Generative AI is already transforming industries, enabling businesses to innovate, automate tasks, and enhance customer experience. As AI continues to evolve, generative AI will play an increasingly significant role in shaping the future of technology.